What's up, dentcoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. My friends, this video is very important, very urgent for all dentcoin holders. Never miss this update. If you miss, you are in the loss. And if you don't miss, absolutely, there's a lot of chances in the future to you will get a profit, my friends, from a dentcoin, my friends. Keep watching, and please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. ABS Tech channel update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news, which is very important for all of you. Now in this video, first of all, we look at the latest update, and after that we discuss the future of dentcoin, my friends. So the currently latest price of dentcoin in the market at this time is 0.00384 USD dollar. On the other side, if you the price change occur in the dentcoin, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is positive. The whole pricing is going positive, and I'm feeling very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the dentcoin, my friends. I'm feeling very happy. Let's see the price chart. Wow, absolutely, I'm feeling very happy to see a good jump in the dentcoin. The last 1 hour pricing is positive 1.32%, and the highest price is 0.004202 USD dollar. That is the highest price of dentcoin in the last 1 week. And now if you look at the current situation of dentcoin in the market, so the current situation is also going better, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive sense occur in the dentcoin, that the last 1 hour pricing is positive, my friends. And I believe, my friends, I'm sure that dentcoin will give us good amount of profit in the future. That is why I recommend for everyone that if you want profit, you have to hold. If you want nothing, so you decide to sell, my friends. If you hold, so you will get profit. If you don't hold, so how you can get profit, my friends? Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about dentcoin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.